Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone keeps dropping navigation and displaying a GPS signal lost warning, it usually means your device is struggling to communicate with positioning satellites, or your battery settings are aggressively restricting background location access. I will show you exactly how to adjust your system settings to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure your phone is using all available networks to pinpoint your precise location, not just slow satellites. Open your Android settings and scroll down to tap on Location. Tap on Location Services or Google Location Accuracy and make absolutely sure the switch for Improve Location Accuracy is toggled completely on. This allows your phone to use nearby Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks to lock onto your position instantly. Next, aggressive battery saving features will frequently cut off your GPS signal the moment your screen turns off or switches apps. Go back to your main settings menu, tap on Apps or App Management, and find your specific navigation app, such as Google Maps. Tap on Battery or App Battery Usage and change the setting from Optimized directly to Unrestricted. This guarantees the app maintains a constant GPS connection in the background. Finally, your mapping app might be relying on corrupted or outdated temporary location data. Stay on that same app info page for Google Maps and tap Force Stop to completely halt the application. Then tap on Storage Usage and hit Clear Cache. Restart your phone, step outside to get an unobstructed view of the sky, and open your Maps app to establish a fresh, highly accurate satellite lock. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.